Hi, welcome to another edition of Matters of Law. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. Catch us on XTVGH on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Today, we are discussing maintenance of spouse and children. Maintenance of spouse and children. Let's go for a spot of commission.
This program is brought to you by PEG Enterprise. Call us on 0240 533 097. 0240 533 097 for your delicious pastries, cookies, and drinks. Locate PEG Enterprise near Keke House in Ho.
Welcome back. Maintenance of spouse and children is what we are discussing. Are you married? Have you given birth to a child? Or you are not married, but you have a child? Do you know that it is your responsibility to take care of the child that you have brought to the earth? And even if you're married, do you know that it's a responsibility to take care of your spouse? Yes, I said spouse, meaning that the wife also has a responsibility to take care of the man, and the man has a responsibility to take care of the woman. I would start the discussion with children. It is the responsibility of both parents to take care of children. That responsibility is not limited to the man alone. Neither is it limited to the woman alone. Now, if you read the Children's Act, it says the best interest of the child is what must be upheld. So at any point in time, we are looking at how these children should be taken care of. So children's school fees, their clothing, what they will eat, their health needs and others is the responsibility of both the father and the mother. Remember, I didn't talk about married couples. If they are indeed married, yes, it's their responsibility. If they are not married also, it is the responsibility of both parents. So one person cannot shift the blame to one person to take responsibility for the child. What happens if a parent decides or says that I am not responsible for this child? If a parent denies responsibility for the child, you can either conduct a DNA or sue the person in court for paternity to be determined. Now, if the person even accepts responsibility for the child, but is not paying for the needs of the child, the person's health needs, educational needs, and social and all other needs, you can go to court to ask for maintenance orders or to ask for the court to order the person to make financial provisions and to make the necessary provisions for the maintenance of that child. Now let's talk about spouses. But lest I forget, even before I talk about spouses, where do you go when you're having these challenges? The Department of Social Welfare is one place you can go if your spouse is not maintaining the child. Or you can go to the legal aid to seek assistance. Remember, the limitation with legal aid is that you must be earning below the minimum wage. That is when you qualify for needs assessment when it comes to the legal aid. Now, maintenance of spouses. So you are married. I said maintenance of spouses. So you must be a spouse. So you must be married under customary law or ordinance marriage. Now, it is the duty of spouses to take care of each other. Depending on your salary and depending on what you do, the court may make an order if you are not remitting your spouse for you to remit your spouse. This may be in need of medical bills, financial support, or any other thing that is necessary, or even providing for food for the spouse to eat. It is important to state and it's important to note that spouses must plan very well when they want to have kids. And they must plan their finances and every other thing. Of course, you cannot be very unreasonable by asking unnecessary and huge demands from your spouses. You should be reasonable in whatever demand that you are making. Now, for those who are yet to have children, it is important to plan very well before you have these children, because the law enjoins you to take absolute care of these children. If you expose these children to danger or you do not give them the necessaries of life, you could even be prosecuted. Yes, you are wondering. You can be prosecuted if you don't provide the necessaries of life for your children, if you deliberately refuse to do that. So take this from me. Next time you think about having children, plan, budget, work hard, and ensure that these children are protected, the same way as the spouses you marry. Thank you for watching this edition of Matters of Law. We've been talking about maintenance of spouse and maintenance of children. Catch us same time next week on this same channel. Share this to friends and others who need this information on XTVGH on YouTube and explore TVGH on Facebook. Bye-bye.
To support this program, contact XTV on 024 606 1095 or 050 836 4159, or send us an email to info@stvgh.com.